In this video, I want to show you how to use the tapered point.
I'd like to show you how to make full use of another burning point that comes in really handy, and that is the tapered point of the Creative Versa tool. I have previously done a few of the lines that the tapered point can do on this board, and I will do them over again now so you can watch. Every line is done freehand, and this line I'm doing is just like writing. Run your tapered point along a straight line, making tiny little waves up and down. Now create some wavy lines again, with even distances as I am doing. You will feel the tapered point doing just what you want it to do. Then do the same waves in inversion, allowing the downward wave to be cut into by your upward wave. This technique is called the woven line technique. Let's do that again, but this time longer and deeper so we can get a bigger woven effect. This time, let's do a series of the letter C waves, once more using this point to see how it compares with the other points that we have tried before.
Now, practice doing a few other cursive lines to get a feel of the free flow that this tapered point allows.
This video shows you the many possibilities you can do with a tapered point. Just keep on practicing.
Stippling is another technique you could try with the tapered point. It should be able to do a good job of that because of the point of this nib.
Also, play a bit with some fun lines, like little leaf motifs, using a zigzag motion with the point. It can also create heavy downward lines by just a bit of pressure with one stroke, or a heavy pressure to create dots. or arches that can end up like scales. Now to see how well it can do letterings compared to the other points. It's pretty exciting to start something new, especially doing lines with this wood-burning tool. The tapered point just moves easily as you create fine details like small ripple lines, meandering lines, wide or small curves, woven line techniques, a series of moving curves, dots or stippling, spirals, and more. Continue to do as many varied lines as you can with this versatile tool. With practice, you can master using this tapered point, and you'll find writing with fire feels really good.